Well, the winter moon was started back in a time when it wasn't as great as it is now, even though we're in 2020. But it's still a good life. It's still very good times yet. So we honor this. If you know what this is, it doesn't mean what it says on the package. What this is tobacco. I explain again what tobacco is. Tobacco came to the Native Americans, and it was given to them by the Creator. Bring it out during times of ceremony and times. And it was a belief my mother believed in, because she watched all the violence and all the prejudice come through Yelm during the Fiction Riots, so we never really had anything. So she invented this and explained the tobacco.
This to me is very much a ceremony of the soul, because the soul is unlimited and is infinite. And little gatherings like this kind of reminds me of the importance of reconnecting to those infinite things, those things that really do matter in life, apart from materialistic things. You know, like your connection to your Ohana, your family, your connection to the Aina, the land around you. And then, of course, your connection to Keakua, your creator. And so these are really important moments in life to kind of stop, pause, and take in the moment,
Not in school.
as what you see here.
At the circle at this time, they come out that way. People, you have something to say, the spirit will make you talk. If you don't talk, you wish you would have said something. That's the time to say something. So at this time, we're going to get going. This is something my mom bring us together. My mom traveled throughout the world. She always bring poncho on and everything. Never do really wide.
Looking around at my Ohana, my heart couldn't help but feel joy, but at the same time, a little sorrow, because they've grown up so much and seen the next generation coming through. But this is just really a part of life. We are all part of this great thing called life. And this part is where the young women go and they help. And so you can see them sharing, kind of like breaking bread in a way. In this case, it's salmon, but sharing the first meal. This particular day is really special because this is my really good friend, pretty much like a sister. This is Dedishka's daughter, and she is handing out the salmon. And then right around the corner, coming around, is going to be the Winter Moon mom. And my daughter is helping her. And she's gifting everyone kind of a token for the new year. It's cedar and God's eye. And there's my daughter helping the Winter Moon mom. It was kind of emotional and special at the same time, you know, to see these two young women carrying on in ceremony and continuing on this tradition. And I remember when they were little, when they were young, and now I'm watching them do this, and kind of got to me. I started to wonder, how is the future going to be for them? How many more ceremonies can we host and hold, you know? Because there's so much change in the world, and the change is happening so quickly. And no one's taking time to understand the values of traditions and ceremonies. No one's stopping to rekindle their connection to the earth and to their Ohana. And for reasons like this, I do get a little concerned, and I can only hope and pray that we can leave this world better than when we came. want to leave you with this. It is never too late. It is never too late to rekindle your connection to the Aina and go and frolic in the breeze. It's not too late to connect with your Ohana and just hang out with them for no reason at all, but just to infuse each other with your love and your aloha. And of course, it is not too late to reconnect to Keakua, your creator.